My name's Paul Fiedenby. I'm Digital Technology Director here at Tharsus. At Tharsus, we make strategic machines, advanced machines, robots, machines that do things for people to create significant commercial advantage. I lead the team of software developers and data analysts who develop the software and the data science that goes into these machines. Data analytics and software are developing really rapidly. Every day, you can do more with data and more with software. And this is allowing us to develop even better machines for our customers. Our vision is to be the best strategic machine maker in the world. And to do that, we will develop the best data, analytics, and software that goes into these machines. We've got a great team of people, and we're looking for people to join us who want to share in our vision and share in the journey that we're on. We look for people who love to learn and who have great technical competence, both in terms of maths, physics, and the data science side of things, as well as great software developers. If you'd like to know more or join the team, please visit our website